Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E3 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it so my washing machine will work again. And so the E3 error is when you start a cycle, the washing machine tries to fill up with water and it gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with water, and if after that time is up it doesn't have enough water, it will stop and it will give you this error. So all you need to do is figure out why is my washing machine not getting water. And most likely, it could be something as simple as the water's been turned off to your house. But it could also be that if you come in behind where the inlet hose hooks up to your the water line, you want to make sure that valve is fully open, so fully to the left, fully counterclockwise, because if it's not fully open, it might not be enough water getting in. Even if it seems like water's getting in, there might not be enough water getting in. Also, that same inlet hose that goes from the water to the back of the washing machine, you want to make sure that line is not pinched or kinked or bent in any way. Like sometimes, especially if you just installed the washing machine and you pushed it up against the wall, you might have pushed it up too hard and it smashed the intake hose, or it bent the intake hose or kinked it. If any of that happened, the water won't flow into the washing machine and it won't work and you'll get this error. And then finally, if that doesn't work, you can actually unscrew the hose, the intake hose, and there is a debris screen in there, and just make sure that that debris screen is clear and not clogged. If you do all those things, you should get water into your washing machine and get rid of this error and get everything working. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.